Hi dear all students, how are you? Today we are for this today's video in front of you, and let us start. Problem set 2 of number work already we started in previous video, and now we'll start with today our question number 2. Instead of writing on board, student, I will show you in the textbook. See the chart of question number 2, how they shown. They shown first column Devanagari numbers, second column international numbers of the same equivalent number, and the numbers written in a word. That same number we have to complete writing in a word. When you are writing in a word, your spelling mistake should not be happen. See students, they shown one example already in a solve condition. See the first number they shown 4-digit number. You first read in international number 2359. So what is for 2 in Devanagari? You have to convert as it is 2, 3 in Devanagari 3, 5 in Devanagari 5, and 9 in Devanagari 9. So the number become in Devanagari conversion. How to read in Devanagari? For that you must know Marathi reading. So you have to read like this way: 2359. The number is in Devanagari reading. You try for the Marathi also, dear all. And you have to write the converted international numeral into word. So they wrote here in international in English language 2000, 359. Only first digit you have to write capital. I hope the given answer already one solved question you understand. Now I will explain you question from question number 2. I will explain you number 2 and number 5. 3 and 4 you complete as your homework. So give attention all on board. See on board I wrote number. Second question number is written in Devanagari. So try to read first that. This is a 5-digit number. We read as 32,756 in English, but we have to see in Marathi. If you able to read, try 32,756. And here in English we have to write 3 as English 3. This 2, 7, 5, 6. So number become 32,756. And same number you have to write in word. So for writing in word, you have to write the numbers spellings in a proper way. So when you are writing answer, you have to write 32,000. This is a thousand place. This is a 100 place. This is a tens and unit place. You may split for your understanding in a particular place value names. So it will be easy to write the number 32,000. So write the spelling of thousand here. 32,000, 700 and word and we have to use after 100 digit and 56. So 56. This is the answer of question number 2. Devanagari number we converted into international number and we wrote that international number in a word. When you are writing in a word, your handwriting should be best. Your spelling mistake should not be happen. Be careful where we are giving comma and write the word and after 100 digit. So this is completed. This question may become in exam. 1 mark is given for conversion and 1 mark is given for your word writing. So each question carry 2 mark. So for your 2 mark purpose, dear students, make practice of writing such a lot of numbers. Next one is given here. They already wrote number 5, third and fourth to complete as a homework. Try as a homework. Fifth one, see here, 27,000. 27,000. So you write first in international number 27 number 27,000 comma 800. So write number 8 and 95. So here and 95. So number become 27,895. This only you have to convert in a Devanagari numbers to 7 7 8 9 5. The same sequence 27,895. This is reading in a Devanagari language. So this question is for conversion way. Like this way, for your practice purpose, you take any 5 digit, any 4 digit numbers, more 10 examples to complete as today's homework, as extra work. More 10 you write. After completing this chart, you don't need to write in a chart method. You write in this sequence method in notebook. First you write Devanagari number, dash you write international number, and dash on next line you write number in a word. This format also possible. Leave one line after one question. You complete 5 question and more 10 you take any your choice number, 4 digit or 5 digit. So like this way, our question number 2 is a conversion from Devanagari to international, and international we wrote in a word. I hope so you understand well. Your knowledge of this lesson is very important for your word writing. So practice for word writing. Hope so yesterday's homework you done, dear all. That is 1 to 100 numbers writing in a word as well as in number. Now you will carry with these questions and more 10 questions, more 10 numbers for your homework purpose. Now after few minutes, let's ready for your third question. Dear all students, let's start with question number 3. Instead of writing question, I will keep in front of you in a Zoom. So see here, as a part of the Avoid Plastic project, Jilla Parishad schools made and provided paper bags to provision stores and greengrocers. Read the taluka wise numbers of the bags and write the numbers in word. Avoid Plastic project, it's a project here applied from Jilla Parishad, and they want to give plastic, the paper bags which they prepare to the various villages, and that villages names are given here. That names, taluka wise section, they wrote the numbers, how many bags they provided. The question is simple, very just is a question in our regular language. This number is given in number system, international number system, and we have to convert, we have to write the numbers in word. The simple question meaning is the number is written here of that village. That number we have to convert in a word. So first question, first 2 I will take, next third and fourth you will complete as a homework. So you will question will get complete. They gave in a chart method, that question you write as it is, but for writing answer purpose, no need of making chart. You can write separately 2 lines each taluka name, and you have to write that answer. So Kopargaon is given here 12,740. You have to split like this way: unit place, tens place, 100 place, and this is a 1000 place. So this number, international number, our answer will be 12,000. So TWELVE, 12,000. I told already all of you, the only first letter will be capital. Keep suitable distance and write good, more excellent handwriting than me also. Then comma, as it is 700. So number here 700. 140 and 40. So and will be there, and spelling of 40 you have to write here FOR. So number will become 12,740. Now students, Shevgaon, Karjat and Sangamner. Kopargaon, Shevgaon, Karjat and Sangamner. These are 4 places, the taluka places they told. This much bags we wrote in word. Next is Shevgaon. Shevgaon they gave you first split 1, 2, 3 comma and this 1000 place. So we have to write 28,000. 100 place is 0 here. So no need to mention. We have to directly say that 28,095. No need to mention the 100 place if that is 0. So the answer will be TWENTY. 28,095 and 95. Suitably write that answer on new line with a good handwriting. Hope so you understand meaning of a question. This third and fourth you have to complete as a homework. Hope so you understand. Have a look on this and complete this also as a homework and complete that in notebook. See the students here. Question number 4 is, how many rupees do they make? So from given question we have to count the final answer as total rupees. They told us in a first question they have 20 notes of 1000 rupees, 5 notes of 100 rupees and 14 notes of 10 rupees. Lot of times when we are going in a bank, students, that time when we are writing the white sheet, white slip, when we are filling how many rupees we are filling in the bank, we have to write in detail how many notes of 1000 rupees we have, how many notes of 2000 rupees, how many notes of 500 rupees, like that way. Here also they mention that rupees with the help of that notes. So first, how to write the answer? We have to convert this each notes. So how many rupees that? And finally, after getting 3 rupees, 3 notes rupees total, we have to add them. So we'll get last answer how many rupees we'll prepare with that notes. So 20 notes of 1000. 20 notes of 1000, you have to write here 1000 multiplied by 20. Very easy multiplication, dear all. Don't worry, don't afraid. You just multiply this first two digit. 2 ones are 2. And last all the zeros as it is. Count all zeros. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So give that much zeros here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 1, 2, 3, comma. So the answer will be 20 notes of 1000 means 20,000. Understand here? Then next, 5 notes of 100. 5 notes of 100. So write the number 100 multiplied by 5. As usual, multiply first digits. 5 ones are 5. And how many zeros are here? 2 zeros. So give that zeros as it is. So 5 notes of 100, our amount will be 500. 14 notes of 10. 10 rupees note, 14 notes whether. So 10 multiplied by 14. Again 14 multiplied by 1. 14 multiplied by 1. 14 ones are 14 and 1 0 as it is. Don't worry if you cannot do horizontal multiplication. Arrange the same number on the rough page. For vertical calculations, when I will show how to write this 14 multiplied by 10. So 14 multiplied by 10, you solve this on the rough page 10 4s are 40, carry 1, 10 1s are 10, plus 4 is 40. So the answer will be 140, you will take here. As you wish, which is a simple method for you for multiply, use that. So now all the answers of first, second and third, you have to write in a proper sequence for total numbering. So first write the upside biggest number, that is a 20,000. Then 3 digits, so last 3 digit use in a reverse way, 500 and 140. See here all students, if you do mistakes while writing the places, your answers will definitely goes wrong. That's why very important to arrange numbers at a proper place. To make the addition, your sequence should be there. 0 0 0 will 0, 4, 5 plus 1 6, 0 as it is and 2. So your final answer will be 20,640 rupees. Write the answer always in the box. 20,640 unit will be rupees and make box to this answer. This is a correct, excellent method. I hope you all understand the way of explanation. Same way you complete your second question of sub question of question number 4. I hope today's teaching all the questions you well understand. You also try that, complete notebook, complete all homework today's what I mentioned and complete the second sub question also. And next video we'll see the last 2 questions, that is question number 5 and question number 6. So have a nice day student. Complete your work on time. Remain in touch with video for better understanding. Remain at home. Be safe. Thank you.